Hi guys. Today I want to show us how to do keywords research using Google Suggest or Google Autocomplete. Now, Google Suggest is a handy feature from Google that shows you the um, keywords people are searching for when you type in a particular keyword on the Google search bar. This feature is super important because it shows you the exact terms or phrases that people are most likely typing in the search bar when they are looking for maybe a product to buy or they are looking for information about something. So, for example, if I search about iPhone 15, then you see a list of suggested keywords on the screen. These are the terms people are actively searching for on Google. Now, if you can hack this technique, you can as well get dozens of keywords you can write about without spending money on keywords research tools. So let's get right into it. Now, let's say I want to search about let's use iPhone 15 for example. We can see a list of keywords. Now, in this case, I can say that iPhone 15 is our seed keyword. Seed keyword. Now, for us to get a very good keywords to write about, we need to target long tail keywords. What are long tail keywords? There are keywords that are long and very specific. These keywords, they tend to convert more. For example, instead of iPhone 15, which is a short tail keyword, you could write something like, why is my iPhone 15 overheating? These are long tail keyword. Or it could be keywords like best iPhone 15 uh, case for female or best female iPhone 15 case, as the case may be. These are long tail keywords and they are super specific. Okay, one of the techniques we use in looking for long tail keywords in Google Suggest is what we call the alphabet soup method, the ABC method. Now we have iPhone 15 as our seed keyword. For us to get many other keywords, I will start with A. Type in the letter A, and then you see every keyword that starts with A after this iPhone 15. You see every keyword that starts with A. Some people are searching for iPhone 15 Android version. I don't know if iPhone 15 has an Android version or not. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. These are probably comparison keyword. Maybe people wants to compare the difference between iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro, and then you can put B. It will bring other keywords that starts with B after the seed keyword iPhone 15. Now let's assume that I select iPhone 15 battery capacity. I can also still dig in deep by starting all over from maybe A. iPhone 15 battery capacity after 6 months. See A here. iPhone 15. This could be a good keyword for tech bloggers. I don't know. Then I could do B. iPhone 15 battery life bad. iPhone 15 Pro Max battery life bad. Okay, I could do C. iPhone 15 battery capacity comparison. You can see that you can, with this, you can grab lots of good keywords that you can write about. Okay, so this is very important if you don't have money to pay for expensive tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. You can just do this. It's free. You can also do it with your mobile phone. So when you see a keyword that you like, you can copy it out and paste it in a Google Sheet or in a plain or write it out in a plain paper. So if I assume that I want to write on this, I just click on it, then I'll see what other sites are currently doing on this keyword. If this query was actually answered, and then you see how other people structure their content, and you can try to uh, do better than they they are doing. Okay, why not give it a try and give me a feedback? Thank you for watching. See you next time.